Because of booming demand for clean energy sources from data centers, which is driven by the increasing need for power from artificial intelligence and cloud computing, OKLO is actively engaging with companies that operate large data centers, which require massive amounts of energy to power their servers around the clock. The company's Aurora powerhouse, currently in development, aims to provide clean and reliable energy to these data centers. OKLO's power-as-a-service business model involves delivering electricity directly to data centers under long-term contracts rather than simply selling reactors. This approach would guarantee electricity to technology companies without the hassle of managing a power plant. OKLO is willing to accept investments from customers in its projects, which could involve upfront payments or partnering in the energy systems. This model is expected to help fund the construction of its power plant, and in return, OKLO would provide stable power to customers for a set period. The company is also working with its customers to identify the best locations for future reactors, which will further strengthen their deals. OKLO's customer pipeline is robust, with over 14 gigawatts of potential power capacity, although this reflects interest rather than binding contracts for now. Elsewhere, collaborations also began with the aim of accelerating domestic production of high-assay, low-enriched uranium, HALEU. OKLO partnered with Hexium, TerraPower, and Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory to evaluate atomic vapor laser isotope separation, AVLAS, technology for commercial-scale uranium enrichment. The goal of this initiative is to develop a validated conceptual design and techno-economic assessment of AVLAS-based HALEU production. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.